If you're trying to watch a video on Reddit but there's no sound, don't worry. In this helpful video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily fix the problem. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end and follow these simple steps to fix Reddit no sound. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. To get started, first open up your Reddit app. And once you are on the Reddit homepage, scroll down and find the video that you want to watch. So let's say I want to watch this video with sound. So to the bottom right of that video, you can see there is a speaker icon with an X. That means this specific video is muted right now. So in order to unmute it, simply tap on it. As you can see now, it is showing the speaker icon with waves, which means I can hear the sound of this video and it is unmuted. So if you still don't hear any sound, what you can do next is make sure that you have the volume maxed out. So press the volume up button on your phone to increase the device volume, and that should fix your issue. If you are still having trouble hearing sound on your Reddit video, then the video might not have any sound that's associated with it. One final thing that you can do is exit out of the Reddit app and go over to the Google Play Store to see whether or not there is a new update available. If there is a new update available for Reddit, then update your Reddit app to the latest version, because updating your apps to the latest version usually fixes bugs and glitches in the app, and the whole reason why you might not have sound in your Reddit videos could be a bug. So that wraps up this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.